Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple pie in the air fryer. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients, including 2 medium apples and 1 sheet of pre-made pie crust. Next, we will prepare a flavorful apple filling with warm spices. Then, I will guide you through assembling your pies, whether as individual hand pies or a small pie in a ramekin. Finally, we will air fry them to golden perfection. For our delicious air fryer apple pie, you will need just a few key ingredients. Start with 2 medium apples, such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, peeled and diced. Grab 1 sheet of pre-made pie crust to save time. For the filling, combine 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This simple combination creates a wonderfully spiced and thickened apple filling. Now let's assemble our pies. Roll out your pre-made pie crust and cut it into 4 equal squares or circles. Place about 2 tablespoons of your prepared apple filling onto the center of each piece. For hand pies, fold the crust over and crimp the edges with a fork to seal. If making a small pie, press 1 crust piece into a 4-inch ramekin, add filling, and top with another crust or a lattice. It's time to air fry our delicious apple pies. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your assembled pies into the air fryer basket, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping them gently halfway through. The pies are ready when the crust is beautifully golden brown and the apple filling is visibly bubbling. Let them cool for at least 15 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.